Good evening to Gagan Sai. Today is the 9th class mathematics chapter number 8th chapter quadrilaterals. Today we will learn the exercise 8.3 7 and 8. Two problems today we will learn it in this session. Okay? Are you understood of the previous class?
Yes.
1 to 6 problems it's over in this exercise. Previous classes it's over. Are you any doubts?
No doubts.
Shall I start the today class?
Yes.
Yeah. In Telangana State Book, page number 188. Today we will learn the 7th problem. First, let's see the problem in our textbook. Be carefully, listen better, neatly. In triangles ABC and DEF, AB parallel DE, BC equal to EF and BC parallel EF. Vertices A, B and C are joined to vertices D, E and F respectively. Show that. These are our questions. First one, ABED is a parallelogram. Second one, BCFE is a parallelogram. AC equal DF. And fourth question, triangle of ABC congruent to triangle of DEF. These are our questions. First, this is the question. What is given? What is asked? Look at this textbook, Gagan Sai. Be carefully listen. This figure is give. First, I will explain this question. What is given? In triangle ABC, triangle of ABC and DEF. These two triangles. In these two triangles, what is given? AB is parallel to DE. AB is parallel to DE. So these two are is parallel or equal. Parallel means is equal only. So next BC parallel EF. BC is parallel to EF. These two are is parallel or equal. So vertices A is joined to D and B is joined to E and C is joined to F only. Respectively. Show that. We have to show that these are our questions. We will show that this one only. These are our questions one by one. How will you show that these are our questions? So look at this figure, Gagan Sai. First, let us take one by one only. First, do you know the parallelogram definition? We know that. What is the parallelogram definition? Parallelogram is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral in which the both pair of opposite sides are equal. Then the quadrilateral is called as the parallelogram. We know that only. So first, how will you show that these are one by one only? So first I will explaining only. ABED, let us take a one quadrilateral. Is it a quadrilateral? Let us take one by one. ABED, one quadrilateral, and next take this one only. BCFE. Let us take these two triangles one by one. Let us take it. And we will show that these quadrilaterals are parallelogram. We will show that. From question number 192, we will get the two equations. From equation number 192, we will get the third question. We will show that only. Next, fourth one. Fourth one, how will you show this one? These two triangles are congruent. We will show that these two triangles are congruent. How will you show this one? You already know this process. Did you know the congruence rules, Gagan Sai? By using the congruence rules, we will show that these two triangles are congruent. This is the one by one. Today we will learn it only. First, given data, how to write it in your given problem. Are you understood the explanation? First, given data, this is the given. In triangle ABC and DEF, AB is parallel DE and BCEF and BC parallel EF. Vertices A, B and C are joined to vertices D, E and F to show that these are our questions. Okay, how to show that these are only. This is the figure is given. Yeah, first let's this a solution for this problem. From this figure, what is given? From this figure, what is given? In triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Otherwise single also write it, triangles. Okay. In triangle ABC and DEF, what is given? AB is parallel to DE. Okay. And AB is equal to DE. And next, another one is BC is equal to EF and BC is parallel to EF. Okay. Yeah, these two information is given from this figure. So next, one by one. First question. Proof. Yeah, this is the required to show. Given, required to show. And next, proof. One by one proofs. Yeah, first one. What's the first one? ABED is a parallelogram. Okay, we will show that this one only. So, first, in quadrilateral is ABED. Let us take these quadrilateral.
Okay.
Is ABED. It's a quadrilateral. In quadrilateral, separately is also you can draw here Gagan side. Yeah, this is the one quadrilateral. ABED. In quadrilateral, one pair of opposite sides are equal. So AB equal to D is given. Okay. It is in quadrilateral, one pair of opposite sides are equal. Then the figure is called as the parallelogram. We know that. Parallelogram means is the both pair of opposite sides are equal. In quadrilateral, one pair parallel is given in given question. So that's why, yeah, one pair of opposite sides are parallel in quadrilateral. Then the figure is a parallelogram. So that's why in this in quadrilateral ABED, what is given? AB parallel to DE is given. Means AB is parallel to DE means AB is equal DE is given. The one pair of opposite sides are parallel. So is it a parallelogram?
Yes.
Yes, it is a parallelogram only. So therefore ABED is a parallelogram. Okay. Parallelogram means the one pair of opposite sides are equal, or two pair of both pair of opposite sides are equal in quadrilateral. So that's why then the quadrilateral is called as the parallelogram. We know that only. It is a parallelogram. Next, implies it is a parallelogram. ABED is a parallelogram. So then other opposite side is also parallel. Okay, both pair of in parallelogram, both pair of opposite sides are parallel. So implies AD is parallel to B. Okay, and this means AD is equal to B. Okay, this is the equation number 1. Okay, next, second one. What's the second one? In quadrilateral. Let us take another one only. In quadrilateral is what's the BCFE quadrilateral. Let us take another quadrilateral. This is the BCFE quadrilateral. Let us draw the separately. Draw here it is that quadrilateral. This is the BCFE quadrilateral. Okay. Then in quadrilateral BC, FE, let us take this figure, and in this one BC is parallel to EF is given question. Okay. In quadrilateral, one pair of opposite sides are is parallel or equal. Then the quadrilateral is called as the parallelogram. Is it a parallelogram? BCF, is it a parallelogram? Okay, are you understood? In quadrilateral BCFE, what is given? BC equal EF, and BC is parallel to EF. So then the quadrilateral is called as the one pair of opposite sides are equal. So that's why what's the BCFE is a parallelogram. Why it is parallelogram? Are you understood? Since one pair of opposite side is parallel or equal. Okay. In quadrilateral BCFE, so it is a what's the parallelogram. Are clear? This is also same. This is also one pair of opposite side is parallel or equal. So ABED is a parallelogram only. So if BCFE is a parallelogram, then other opposite side is also parallel and equal only. Why? Because in parallelogram is the both pair of opposite sides are parallel or equal. We know that only. So that's why what's the other side? This side. Implies BE is parallel to CF and BE is equal to CF. This is the equation number 2. Okay. Next, third question. What's the third question? AC equal to DF. How will you show that? This one. From equation number 1 and 2. From equation number 1 and 2. We will get it on. Yeah, what's the first equation number 1? AD equal to B. And next, BE equal to CF. Okay. We will get it. Here it is the BE equal to AD and B equal CF. So in these two sides are is it equal? So implies AD equal CF. Okay, are you clear? From these two, from equation number 1 and 2, what we will get it? AD equal CF. This means A and AD is parallel to CF. Okay, are you clear? What's the figure? Other figure. ACDF. AD parallel to CF. AD is parallel to B. AD is parallel to BE. And next, BE parallel to CF. So this figure ADCF. ADCF. Separately you can draw this figure. ADCF. This is the third figure. So in third figure, AD parallel to CF. AD is parallel to CF. This pair. Okay, this is the AC. DF is a quadrilateral. So in quadrilateral, one pair of opposite sides are is it parallel or equal. So then it is a parallelogram. Is it a parallelogram? Yes, is it a parallelogram only. So AC DF is a parallelogram. So therefore AC DF is also a parallelogram. Why it is a parallelogram? Are you understood? Since one pair of opposite side or parallel are equal. Side is parallel or equal. Okay, are clear? So it is a parallelogram. One pair of opposite sides are parallel or equal in quadrilateral. ACDF quadrilateral. So that's why ACDF is also parallelogram. So implies it is a parallelogram. So that's why other pair is also parallel or equal. Why it is parallel or equal? Are you understood? This is the what's the AC is parallel to DF and AC is equal to DF. Why it is equal to these two sides are is equal? Are you understood? From definition of parallelogram. These two sides are is it equal? Okay. AC equal DF. Is it a proved? Yes, it is proved. Third question is also proved. Next, fourth question. What's the fourth question? Triangle of ABC is congruent to triangle of DEF. Next, how will you show that this one? Let us take these two triangles. Separately you can draw here. It is ABC. And next another triangle is DEF triangle. Let us draw here. It is one by one triangle. Okay. This is the ABC. One triangle and the triangle this like one. This is the DEF triangle. Let us take these two triangles. We will show that these two triangles are congruent. Yeah, first one by one. In triangle ABC and the triangle of DEF. Now take these two triangles. In these two triangles, what is given? AB is equal to D. AB is equal to D. Why it is equal? These two sides is given in given question. Okay. AB parallel to DE are equal. Parallel or equal is given only, given problem. So that's why these two are is it equal. Next, BC is equal to EF. BC equal to EF. Why it is equal? Since this is also given problem. Next, these two sides, opposite sides are equal in ABDE parallelogram. Okay, is given only. This is also opposite sides are equal in BCF parallelogram. Okay. So next, AC is equal to DF. AC equal to DF. Yeah, since it is already proved. This side, why it is equal? This side already proved. Above proved only. In third question is already proved. This one only. AC equal DF. The opposite sides, one pair of opposite sides are is it equal in parallelogram, ACDF parallelogram. So that's why it is already proved. It's over. So here it is. Now we have side. Here it is. So according to the side congruence rule, these two triangles or congruence. Okay. What's the congruence rules are using? Are you understood? What's the congruence rules? Therefore, triangle of ABC congruence to triangle of DEF. Why it is congruence of these two triangles? Since what's the congruence rules are using? Yes. Congruence rule. From according to the SS congruence rules, these two triangles are congruence. Okay. So it is proved only. Therefore, it is proved. Okay. Hence, all 4 questions are proved. 4 questions is proved. Okay, are you understood? Yeah, this is this problem solution. Very simple problem solution. Let us take one by one only. Okay, one by one. Let us take the one by one. Next, very simple. One by one, prove it only. So this problem solution is over. And next, we'll move on to the next question. Are you understood, Gagan sir, this problem solution?
Yes.
Next, 8th question. ABCD is a parallelogram. AC and BD are the diagonals intersect at O. P and Q are the points of trisection of the diagonal BD. Prove that CQ parallel AP and also AC bisects PQ. See figure. Yeah, this is the question. First, I will explaining this question. What is given, what is asked. Look at this figure, Gagan side. First one figure is given. This is the ABCD is a parallelogram. Is given. AC and BD. These two are the diagonals. Okay, diagonal. These two diagonals intersect at point O point. Next, P and Q are the points of trisection of the diagonal BD. This is the diagonals and on diagonal BD, P and Q. These two points of the trisection of the diagonal BD. Trisection means is the 3 equal parts. What's the parts? DQ is equal to QP and BP. Okay. Trisection means is the 3 are equal parts on the diagonal BD. And how to prove this one only? CQ parallel AP. CQ parallel AP. And also AC bisects PQ. AC bisects PQ. How to show that this one? How will you prove this one? Very simple. First, how will you prove this one? What we want? The CQ parallel AP. We want CQ parallel AP only. So first, we will show that inside of one quadrilateral is there. What's the quadrilateral inside? This is the dotted lines, Gagan side. Dotted lines. We will show that this quadrilateral is a parallelogram. We will show that first one. Okay. What's the quadrilateral? AP, CQ quadrilateral. Why will you show that this quadrilateral is a parallelogram? Why will you show that? In given question asked this one only. CQ parallel AP only. This side we want this side and this side also. AP is also we want it only. So in our second question, AC bisects PQ also. So this side all are the 4 sides we want it only. Okay. We will show that this quadrilateral is a parallelogram. We will show that one. So that's why in this question what we want? Let us take this one only. First question. CQD. Let us take one triangle and here it is the APB. Let us take another triangle. First let us take these 2 triangles. Next we will take these 2 triangles. What's the triangles? AQD and next one is the CBP. Let us take these 2 triangles. In these triangles we will get the 2 equations. We will get it on. From equation number 192 we will get this part. We will get it on. This quadrilateral is a what's the parallelogram? We will show this one. Okay. Let us step by step write the solution on. Yeah, first given data, how to write it in a given problem. ABCD is a parallelogram. AC and BD are diagonals, intersect at O, and P and Q are the points of trisection of the diagonals BD to prove that CQ parallel to AP and also AC bisects PQ. This is the figure is given. Let's see the solution for this problem. Be carefully, listen better neatly. From this figure, what is given, what is, write it one by one only. From this figure, are you understood? Look at this notebook gagan side. Be carefully listen. From this figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. One parallelogram is give. What's the information is give? AC and BD or diagonals is give. Or diagonals. This is give. And P and Q are the points of trisection of the diagonal. P comma Q are the points of trisection. Are you understood? Trisection of diagonal BD. Trisection means is the, what's the trisection? What are equal? Three parts are equal. 3Q is equal to QP is equal to BP. Okay. This part is equal to, three parts are equal. That is the trisection. This part is equal to this part is equal to this part only. Now next draw the AC diagonal. This is the AC diagonal. Is already given in given question. So here this is the diagonal. So we will prove this one only. CQ is parallel to AP and also AC bisects PQ only. First, this is the required to prove or to prove or required to prove. Okay. Required to prove. These two questions are, we will prove this one only. Next, proof one by one. What's the first one? First one is, let us take these two triangles. What's the triangles? CQD. One triangle, and next another triangle is APB. Why it is take these two triangles? Are you understood? In triangle of CQD and triangle of APB. Why it is take these two triangles? In given question asked is the this side. Asked only. We want this side and this side only. So that's why we choose these two triangles. We choose it only. So let us take these two triangles. Separately we can draw. Here it is. This is the CQD. One triangle and another triangle A. Okay. APB. These two triangles separately we can draw it. So first in these two triangles, what's the information is give? Here AB is equal to CD. Okay. Triangle of AB is equal to CD or DC. AB is equal to DC. Okay. Or CD, anyone else. So ABR is equal to CD. Yeah, this is the ABCD is a parallelogram. Parallelogram means is the one pair of opposite sides are parallel, and both pair of opposite sides is also parallel or quadrilateral. Okay, so it is given. ABCD is a parallelogram is given. That's why since it is given, simply is also write it given. Otherwise, opposite sides are equal. Equal in parallelogram. ABCD parallelogram. Okay, so these two sides are is it equal. Next, QD is equal to PB or BP. QD is equal to PB. Why it is equal? This is also given. Points of trisection only. Okay, this is the QD is equal to what's the BP. Why it is equal? Are you understood? Point of trisection. Otherwise, simply is also given. Write it. Okay, are you clear? Next, what's that? Look at this figure, Gagan side. ABCD is a parallelogram is given. So whenever the parallelogram is given, these two sides both pair of opposite sides are equal. We know that only. So here it is the AB is parallel to DC. And here it is the BD is the transversal. So here it is the alternative interior angles are is it equal. We know that only. That property are apply here it is. Okay, in both sides AD is also parallel to BC only. So now here it is the AB is parallel to DC, and here is alternate interior angles are is it equal. What's the alternate interior angles? Angle B and angle D only. So that's why in this triangle CQD, alternate interior angles. What's the alternate interior angles? Angle of CDQ is equal to in a triangle, another triangle is APB. What's the alternate interior angles? This part alternate interior angles are is it equal. So what's the angle? ABP. These two are is it equal. Are you understood? Angle of here it is of ABP is equal to angle of what's the otherwise this like this one ulta falta anyone only correct only. Otherwise here it is the CDQ. Okay, CDQ equal to ABP. Anyone only. Both are is it correct? Equal symbol is there. So that's why your ulta falta is also equal. Why it is equal? These two and angle B and angle D. Why it is equal? Here these two are is the alternative interior angles. This is the short form A dot I dot A. Alternate interior angles are is equal. Okay, are you clear? So here it is the AB is parallel to CD. So BD is transversal. Okay, are you clear? So that's why these two are is the equal. Are you understood? Yeah. Now here we have side angle. So what's the rule are using in this problem? From according to the SAS congruence rules, these two triangles are is it a congruence? Yes, these two are is the congruence only. Yeah, this is the angle B and angle D. These two are is the alternative interior angles. That is equal only. So therefore triangle of what's the triangles? Triangle of APB is the congruence to triangle of CQD. Okay, otherwise CQD is congruent to triangle of APB. Both are is it correct only. Okay, yeah, these two are is congruent. So why it is congruent? Are you understood? From according to the what's the congruence rule? SAS congruence rule. These two are is the congruence. Are you clear? What's the rule are you using? Are you understood? Yeah, these two are is congruence. Yeah, next. Whenever the two triangles are is congruent, CPCT is also equal. Here it is the AP equals CQ. Okay. Why it is equal? Since CPCT. Okay, are you clear? Yeah, this is the first question. It is proved only. CQ is parallel to AP. AP is equal to CQ means is the AP is parallel to CQ. Both are is it equal only. So that's why it is proved. This is the first question only. So it is proved. Yeah, next one. This is its over. Next let us take these two triangles. What's the triangles? AQD, one triangle, and the triangle is CBP, one triangle. Let us take these two triangles. Why it is take these two triangles? Are you understood? We want this side and this side is also we want it only. So that's why let us take these two triangles. Let us take it only. In second one, what's the triangles? In triangle of ADQ. ADQ and what's the another one is triangle of CBP triangle. Let us take these two triangles separately. You can draw here it is. Yeah, first one is one by one Gagan Sai. Be carefully, listen better neatly. This is the A, this is the D and A, and this is the Q only. One triangle let us separately we can draw here. Another triangle is what's the another triangle? This triangle. This is the CBP triangle. Okay. Let us take these two triangles. Yeah. In these two triangles, what is given? Okay. And here it is the AD. AD is equal to BC. These two triangles, AD is equal to BC. Is give. AD is equal to BC is give. Why it is equal? This is the given in given problem only. In parallelogram, ABCD is a parallelogram is give. So that's why yeah opposite sides are is equal is given only. This is the given. Opposite sides are is it equal. So that's why this is given only. And next DQ equal BP also is given. DQ is equal to BP. Why it is equal? Since this is also given a points of trisection. And simple is also given, you write it. Okay, this is also given and one angle is given. What's the angle? Here it is the AD is parallel to BC. BD is the transversal. Okay, here in this a parallelogram only. So these two are is the parallel sides. This is the transversal, is the alternate interior angles are equal. So angle D is equal to angle B1. These two triangles. So that's why what's the angles are is it equal? ADQ. One angle is equal to here it is the CBP. Alternative interior angles. Angle of ADQ is equal to angle of CBP. Okay. Angle D is equal to angle B. Why it is equal? Are you understood? Since alternative interior angles are equal. Here it is the AD is parallel to what's the BC. BC and BD is the transversal. Okay. Okay, are clear? Are you understood? Can I say neatly? Yeah, here it is the now. Here we have side angle. So from according to the SAS congruence rules, these two triangles congruence. Okay, are you clear? Are you understood? Therefore, triangle of ADQ is congruent to triangle of CBP. Why it is equal? Are you understood? These two are is the what's the from SAS congruence rule. These two are is congruence. It's over. Whenever the two triangles are is congruent, CPCT is also equal. What's the CPCT? AQ is equal to CP. AQ is equal to CP. Why it is equal? Are you understood? Since CPCT. Okay. This is the equation number 2 and this is the equation number 1. So here it's the AQ is parallel to CP. This is the equation number 2 only. So from equation number 1 and 2. From equation number 1 and 2. What is the equation number 1 and 2? It is the AP is parallel to CQ and next AQ is parallel to CP. So let us take another figure. You can draw here. What's the figure? AQ. This figure is the third figure. This figure inside of this figure only. This figure is the AQCP here. Okay. Here AP is parallel to CQ. So already proved. And next AQ is parallel to CP. Okay. Whenever the in this figure it is a quadrilateral, in this quadrilateral is a opposite, both pair of opposite sides are equal. So then the quadrilateral is called as the, what's the quadrilateral? Is it a parallelogram? Yes. AQ CP is also parallelogram. Okay, are you clear? Are equal also. AP is equal to CQ and here it is also AQ is equal to CP. So it is a parallelogram. This part solution here, write it Gagan Sai. Therefore, what's the this AQCP? AQCP is also a parallelogram. Okay, are you clear? Yeah, here it is. This is a one parallelogram. Inside of the figure is it is a parallelogram. It is proved only. Next, AC is diagonal. Is give. AC is the one diagonal. QP only. One diagonal is give. Here in this figure is AC and QP is the two diagonals. In a quadrilateral, is it a proved? Is it a quadrilateral? Yes, it is a quadrilateral and it is a parallelogram also. In parallelograms, what are the diagonals? Diagonals are bisected to each other. So we know that only. So here it is the AO is equal to OC and OQ is equal to OP. Okay. What about the diagonals? Are you understood? Diagonals are bisected to each other only. So that's why this one. What's the diagonals? Here it is AC and what's the QP? QP or diagonals. Diagonals are bisect each other. So AO is equal to OC and next one OQ is equal to OP. Okay. So here AC is bisects PQ. Why it is bisects PQ? In parallelogram. What's the in parallelogram? AC bisects PQ. So that's why in parallelogram diagonals are bisected to each others. Diagonals are bisect to each other. Since these two diagonals are bisected to each other in parallelogram only, so that's why AC bisects through PQ. Are you clear? Yeah, this is the second question is also, it's proved only. So therefore, it is proved. Are you clear, Gagan? Are you understood? These two questions are you understood? First question is the, what's the? AP is equal to CQ or AP is parallel to CQ. It is proved only. This is the first question is proved, and second question is from equation number 192. This is also proved only. Okay, second question, AC is bisects to PQ is also, it's proved only. Why it is AC is bisects to PQ, are you understood? Since it is a parallelogram is a diagonals are bisected to each other only, so that's why this is the, it is also proved only. This is the 7 and 8 questions. 2 questions are, today it's over. Today's my class is over. Are you understood? Are you any doubts? Today's the class is over. Say thank you. Have a nice day. Like, share and subscribe. Say bye. I hope this video is helpful for you. Say
bye.
Bye.